Welcome back, everyone. This is the Indian Clasher, and I am here on the iOS server on the brand new account that I have opened few days back. If you like my content, please click on the like button and subscribe as well. This video is going to be very exciting actually because I'm going to get my Zephyrica today. We have a lot of events. Let me just go with all the events that we have here on the iOS. So there is one Dynamica pack, $100 pack, which will give you some Dynamica, a full Dynamica card actually. And a $50 pack which will give you half Dynamica. Limited time offers as usual. Water Priestess, Mad Inventor, some things to upgrade. Some upgrading materials which are present in the castle chest. The best offer is the accumulation pack. So if I just purchase 1400 gems, I can get an Ice Lady, which I do not have. I can get a Cosmo, again I do not have. I can get a Queen Wasp, that also hero I do not have. Hero card official events. I already have a Boreal Fox and a Valiant Scientist. I do not need a hot shot, except that if I can just simply get a Rambard or a Bloody Mary, that would be just wonderful. And I also get a Prime Hero card 5th. A Rune Master, maybe a Crystal Wraith. Or a Phobos, even Phobos would help. So tons and tons of heroes if I just purchase 1400, and so that is just for 600. So with the 1400 I can get 10 event coins. Levanica, I do not need this, I already have it. Zephyrica, mind blown. If I just get a Zephyrica, that will be just amazing. And I think I'm just gonna go with that as of now. Okay. Maybe you can go for 3000 gems, but I do not get anything. Demon Stalker, I do not want a Demon Stalker, so that's fine. Miss Magic, not looking for that as well. So just a 1400 accumulation pack, I'm kind of, I'll be like more than happy for it. But we do have flash sale pack, one for one offer on these flash sale pack. Okay. So that is going to make things slightly confusing as to what I should purchase. What all events do we have? Okay, so we have Wishing Lantern, we have Creation Machine, we have Shopping Spree, 1 for 1 pack offer, I've already told. Hero Collector, Egg Smashathon. What do we need in Egg Smashathon? So a Prime Hero cut 5th. I'm already getting this. I do not want it. I actually do not need much from this. Maybe the Castle Chest 5th. That would be great. Or some Soul Stone or some Igniting Stones. That would be okay as well. If I can get a Skeletica. Okay, so I can get a Skeletica as well. But seeing the current landscape of heroes, I don't think so I need that actually. I'm actually rooting just for the Igniting Stones and the Castle Chest 5th. So with the 10 event coins that I get, I think I'm gonna roll it. Let's see what I get. Okay, so that is one. Now we have to decide on which pack to actually purchase to get the Zephyrica. So I've been thinking about 2 packs. There is one flash sale pack 2. Okay, not this one. This one. 3, the third one. So I'll get 400 magic powder. I'll get 40 event points and around 240 5th castle chest boxes. But as of now, actually I do not need the castle chest 5th as of now because my heroes are too low and my gold worlds are also too low. So I cannot actually double evolve or evolve them. So I do not need books. I do not need much of those things. So that's the only reason I'm just not going with this particular pack as of now. But this pack would have been, maybe 10 days or 20 days down the line. I would be, really excited to get this pack. But for now, I think I should just go ahead and get this value pack 2. You see, I'll tell you the reason why. Because the Castle Chest 1 will give you these cards. Okay. And these cards will actually have a Walla. And I need the Talent Refresh card as well. So I need quite a few things from this. And if you see in 2, you again get a hero card. That is very important for me for now. 2 hero cards. And then lot of essences, books, and extra bonus items. So actually I do not mind this particular pack at all. So for now I'm gonna go with this. And maybe a few days down the line, look at other offers as well. So let me just go ahead and purchase this. So I think, okay, so the purchase is successful. I'm all set. Let's go ahead and check out my Zephyrica. Okay, so one more thing. Yesterday also I did a purchase. I made around a $5 purchase. I just purchased. There was one offer in the limited time offers. There was a pack here which was, I think, 1,000 gold bags and 1,000 igniting stones and 1,000 pet essences. I'll just show you guys. I have not claimed it actually till now. So I got this pet essences, what do you call this? The magic potion or something like that. Some shards, that is what I needed. A lot of HB, that is what also I needed. And these boxes. Okay. That's what I did. Let me just go ahead and get my accumulation pack as well. I'll collect this. Thank you very much. Collect my Zephyrica. Pretty excited about that. Let's just go ahead and complete some of the events as well. Okay. So hero collector, I'm not going to roll any heroes. Let me just go ahead and smash some heroes. Okay, I need to claim it first. Sorry, not smash some heroes, smash some eggs. I'll just take this and I'll use it on the egg smashathon event. Okay, let's go. What do we get? The first smash, I got a hero card, a card, a Phobos, perfect. Some Valentine box, Skeletica. The rewards are awesome actually. Karmic stones, igniting rocks, perfect. Landwalker, lot of new heroes coming in. What is this? Some, I think, battle talent badges, I think, something like that. And this is, after 10 smashes you get a guaranteed golden egg. Okay, let's see what I get from this. Very insane. This is what I didn't need, but then it's fine, I guess. Does not matter. Okay, I think I'll use one more. Okay, that's it. So we're done with this. I'm quite happy with it. What do I get from this? 50 Zenith stones. Fine with that too. And let me just go ahead and claim all this. Just what else do I have? So that's it. Let's go for these, signing, claiming all these things. Just finish off all this extra stuff. Let's go for the events, fishing lantern. So we have fishing lantern today. What do I need? Tap to fish. For now, I think better would be to get the pet crystal box, since I'm just starting and I do not have any pets. So pet crystal would do actually. I'll just go ahead and confirm that. Okay, so all the fishing lanterns are open just because I've purchased a $10 pack. Okay, so we just need to wait for the next day. That's all from the fishing lantern. Let's go to creation machine. What do we have here? First creation is free, so I just got castle chest. Fifth extra creation, I got 100 magic powder. I don't mind that at all. Perfect. Shopping spree. I'm just going to save all the magic powder because 100 magic powder is anyway not going to give me anything. So I'll just save it maybe till 2000 or 3000, and then we will load it at one go. Shopping spree. I have one chance left. What do I need from here? What do I need? I do not need hero cards because I already have those. Maybe I can take the fame, because for now I would really need some fame. So just take this fame box. Fame box. Anything else that we should do? What is this? Lucky flipping. So I have one chance. Okay. Let's do. I got a new hero, Sabrina. I'm going to use her, but that's okay. Something is better than nothing. Lucky flipping treasure chest. What is this? Okay, I think I can maybe try this as well. I do not have any draws left. Okay. Treasure chest is gone. Apart from this, what else? Dragon orbs. I do not want to do this. It's one of the worst events ever. The results are crap. And everything is just I can't even do it. Okay, that's good. So let's go ahead and claim all my kits. Yeah. So what did we get? So let me just snapshot it for later. So what did we get? So we got Levan, but where is my Zephyrica? Okay, I cannot claim it. I think I do not have enough place in my. Okay, it's all done. Okay, no issue. Just go ahead and get some slots. Anyway, I'm going to purchase gems, so I don't mind, expanding the. Got it. Oh, I got my Zephyrica. This looks wonderful. There is one more thing. So I'll be upgrading this Zephyrica as well now. So Zephyrica and some other heroes. So there are a few more things that I need to collect. Can't I claim them? I cannot claim them. Anyway, we'll do that later. But there's one thing that I want to show everyone is this. So after the initial might threshold is very low. So every 1,000 you get some rewards. And what I really need is right now is a Walla Walla. Okay. So if I just start increasing my might by 1,000, by even 1,000, I'll start getting these cards. Okay. And let me just show you. So this particular card, the second prime card, hero card, actually gives you a Walla Walla. It has a chance of giving you Walla Walla. And if you increase your might till 20,000, you get around 5 cards, I guess. 5 cards, and I think I have 5 cards, so I'm 16,000. Let me just go ahead and see. So 20,000 we have, till 20,000 we have, I think, 5 second level prime cards, and that can actually give you Walla Walla. So Walla Walla is very essential to the game in the initial as well in the late stage. You're going to use that guy forever. Okay, so let's see. Let me just claim a few of things. So we can claim this. Got 200,000 shards, that's good. I'll go ahead and claim my HB packet badges. Is good. I have some gems, I'm going to save them for later. Fame box, let me just go ahead and open it. My new hero is here. Oh, wonderful. Where's my new hero? Okay. The new hero is here. I'll just open my Cosmo. I'll open my Phobos. What just happened? I have to open one extra slot. Okay, let me just see. What do we have here? How did this happen? Okay. I can do one thing. Since I already have my Cosmo open, I'll just go ahead and finish with these heroes. They're not supposed to be here. I can keep maybe one of each. One of each these guys. Maybe Triton is not required as of now. We'll just eat him up. Let's see what else do we have. So Zephyrica is out. Beautiful. Phobos is out. Ice Lady is new, so she will also come to my altar. And Human Wasp. Perfect. Really nice. Okay, so let's see my item now. Cosmos, Zephyrica, Phobos, Queen Wasp, and Ice Lady. So 5 heroes, new 5 heroes. Okay. What I'm looking at is if I just try to. Okay, so I'm gonna get 2 more heroes. A Lion Walker. He's a new hero. I do not have him. Skeletica. Okay, I'll also show you one more slot. So 7 new heroes for the $10 purchase. 7 new heroes. That is wonderful. And we can have few more actually. Okay, I'll open all these cards together. What I really want is to first raise my might to till 20,000. So if I just get all these heroes to level 20, I think I should be able to increase my might to that level. Oh no, that is not going to happen, but it's okay. He is already at 20. Okay, we can increase this guy to level 20. Level 20. Everyone to level 20. The target is 20,000, around 20,000. Just to get all these, hero cards. I can go ahead and upgrade this guy because anyway I'm going to use them. 8,000 might, that's good. I do not have gold, but what I really have right now is an amazing thing that will just help me get all the amount of gold that I need. This one. Let's get this. Okay. Is the Ferrica? Just upgrade this. So this guy level 100. I can upgrade him once more. Where is my warehouse? Okay, yes. 2. Okay, perfect. So we have the gold. Just go ahead and trade Zeferica once more, and I need him to be. I need some more gold to take him above 120. Okay, I'm not going to use these books. These books are much better. Done. So he is at 140 now. I do not have enough food to upgrade him further. So anyway, I'm working on it, so not an issue. Let's just go ahead and up his skill to 10. That is good. Okay, what else? You can go up and upgrade these heroes as well. Phobos. Level 20. Level 20. Level 20. And here goes for my Ice Lady. So we are at 9,700, 9,800. Is there any other way to increase might very fast? That's what I'm thinking. Can I do something? Zeferica is already up. I'm also going to use Cosmo for now. Or let's do one thing. Let's get these hero packs. Okay. And let's see what hero do I get from these cards. If I get something worthy, like maybe a Walla Walla, that's what I'm rooting for. That would be great. You don't have enough trunk space. Okay. Let's see how many these do I have. Let's just go ahead and open this jar of gems as well, so that I can make some space in the warehouse. This flags I can reclaim. What is this? Enchantment refresh card. Okay. Levanica, what is starter pack? I've got some starter pack. Let's see what we get in this. Great. What I really need is a Walla Walla. That will be great. Let me just open this. Let's see. Okay, come on. We do not have this. Can I maybe use something here? This is okay. What else can I use? Maybe I can use these as well. Okay, the fame boxes. You can just claim all the fame boxes. Anything else? Anything else? I think it'll be fine for now. Let's just open this and hope for a Walla Walla. Come on, man. Ronin and Rockno, 2 Rocknos. That is just sad. I really wanted a Walla Walla. I mean, I was really looking for it. Okay, let me just open some spaces right now. Got a few heroes. Just want more spaces here. Okay. One Rockno I can of course open. So these are all new heroes. I don't mind them. Mind getting them actually. It's okay. But for now, for my team to be ready, I need a healer, and the best healer in the game as of now is Walla Walla. So can maybe what do I get from this? Okay, I'll just open this. Let's see what do I get from this. Ares, I do not have a Ares, so I don't mind this as well. And what else? Okay, official events. Okay, let's see if I can get a Rambad out of this. I got it. So a new hero, a new useful hero. So actually Rambad can also heal as far as I remember, but I'm not so sure. Let me just read his skill. His skill. Rambad. Okay. Restores 3 friendly heroes HP equal to 100% off. So he's also kind of a healer. Not one of the best healers in the game, but he can of course heal. So I play Zephyrica here, and instead of Imhotep, I place my Bravo. That's a good looking build out of there. You just imagine. Beautiful. So my 5 heroes are set up. I have Boreal Fox, Radiant Saintis, Zephyrica, Lebanica, and Ramba as my major, the core team. Is there anything else left to open? Let's see. Oh, if I get a Pumpkin Duke, that would be great. Okay, I'll just try to get a Pumpkin. Let's see. Snowzilla. It's a new hero again, but not gonna use him. What else is there? Zenith Stone. Any other hero cards that I should? What do I get from this? If I get a Rune Master, that would be great. Rune Masters are always good. So I got a new hero, Valen. All these heroes are gonna, come in handy when I try to evolve them. I don't have to use my shards. What else is there? Okay, so we have, we can still roll for Walla Walla actually. Okay, I'm just going to open this. I do not have enough land space. Maybe I can just go to Balloon event and exchange these guys. Okay, get a better deal out of it. Let's finish these dungeons and maybe get something better. Okay, then get something better. Okay, so to open those, I will actually have to increase my trans space. Let's increase it to 100 so that I don't have to worry every time of now. So open till 100. Let's do it. Let's do it. So 40 vacant spaces now. I think I can go ahead and open each one of these. I'm just hoping for a hero card. That would be good. Not even one. Okay, so in 50 chests, lot of HB packs, lot of fame, some of the stones, just one hero card, just one. Okay, let's see what we get with this. Bar Crest box, I don't mind that. Some Zenith stones, some hero card pack, okay. Some essences. Not the best of what I was looking for. I was looking for more hero cards actually. So okay, so third hero card, and what do I get from this hero card? Oh my dear god, this is one of the... Okay, if I can get a Dove Keeper maybe. Okay, the only hero that I really require from this particular pack is a Dove. What do we call this hero? The Dove Keeper? The Dove Keeper, yes. Let's open the fourth test. What do we have here? Some essence, some books. That's a good talent. I think it's Unholy Pact. Unholy Pact is not one of the best, but it's okay for now. So open these boxes as well. Some talent refresh, level 5 talent refresh cards, always helpful. Let's open the sixth one. So from $10, I mean, I could get so many things. Little Nick, I do not have, I do not wanted it, I do not want it, but it's okay. It's a new hero, so I'm just gonna keep it for now. What are we rooting for? Maybe a Dove Keeper. 9 cards, a Dove Keeper. Not even one Dove Keeper. Come on. This is really not good. I was actually hoping for at least one Dove Keeper. I mean, let's just open some altars and get the new heroes there. The theme. So the only thing I actually got from all this is a Zephyrica one, which I got it from accumulation bonus. Apart from that, when I opened these cards, I was really hopeful to get something really good, but well, that's how it is, boys. That's how it is. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys had a amazing time watching this video. I hope you like my content as well. Thank you. Stay safe. Happy clashing. Bye bye.